Alright, so this is Jeep Update 25, and 25 isn't that big of an update, but it's a big deal for me because I finally got my stereo mounted in my Jeep. So I've had the stereo since about October, November of last year, and it's been sitting on a shelf waiting until I got done with a lot of the other things I was doing. So I got it in, got it hooked up. I want you guys to check it out. Okay, so here's the deck. It's a Pioneer deck. It's nothing fancy. Doesn't even have a CD player. And I did that kind of intentionally because without the CD player, it makes the mounting depth much more shallow. And that worked out really well for the Jeep because you guys know that the heaters are right there and there's just not a lot of room. One cool thing about this stereo is it's got a remote control. So I can just crank it up. Turn it right back down. So those blue lights that are on the stereo will not turn off. At first I wired it just to the battery because I wanted to be able to run it whenever I wanted to without having the key. But without the wire hooked up to the 12-volt source that turns on and off with the key, those lights wouldn't go off. So I ended up having to do it the right way, I guess. But now I have to use the key to turn it on. So as far as speakers go, I got those Rockford Fosgate 6x9s, and they sound pretty good. Very difficult, challenging to find a place to put them, so I've just got them set up on the wheel wells for now. You can see this other one here. And up there they sound pretty good, and I don't even have them mounted in or screwed into anything, and they haven't moved yet, so I kind of like them there. So in the very back here I've got a Rockford Fosgate 12-inch sub, and it's got a built-in amplifier. Can't really show you the front of it without getting too involved in this, but it's got the 12-inch subwoofer up there, and then it's got a quick disconnect plug. Not very noticeable underneath that high lift jack, but that's where the sub is, and it really fits into that spot pretty nice. Next up on the Jeep are these Smittybilt Nerf bars. But before I mount the Nerf bars, I'm going to put these new body mounts on because I do believe these will change the position that I'll want to mount the Nerf bars. So I got these. I've actually had these for a while too. And they're the energy suspension body mount kit for a CJ. And then through Morris 4x4, I picked up these stainless steel washers. So I'm going to be putting that on next, probably the body mounts first, and then the Nerf bars. So stay tuned, more to come.